Our tool changer was specifically designed for demanding applications. It enables fast and precise tool changes and integrates seamlessly into various changing systems. As early as 1994, one of our customers developed an innovative hydraulic tool changer that set standards with its impressive speed and performance data. Originally, a rotary vane actuator was intended for the tool change, but problems, especially with the integrated end position damping, proved insurmountable. Thanks to our state-of-the-art SM4 series actuators, we were able to solve these problems. The first prototype delivered had to endure 1.2 million load cycles. In close collaboration with the customer, we optimized the changeover times and continuously adjusted the end cushioning to achieve the required precision. We developed a special test bench to simulate and optimize speed and positioning accuracy over long operating periods. This success story is a joint effort between the customer and Eckhart Hydraulics, demonstrating our philosophy of achieving top performance through partnership. Many innovative developments present technical challenges that standard products cannot meet. Even after 30 years and several joint revisions, our tool changer is still used in the latest generation of our customers' tool changers. Contact us today to successfully bring your next project to life. Eckhart Hydraulics, your trusted partner for premium rotary actuators.